welcome back to another Late Nights with Arie. So y'all, today I am back with another SHein try on haul, but only today I have fall fashion, y'all, and I'm super duper excited because it's getting cold. Plus the package literally just came today and it's Thanksgiving and I needed something to wear, so I was like, let me hurry up, make this video real quick and go on and post this thing so that I can wear these outfits real quick and post the pictures on IG. You know what I'm saying? But before I go into these videos, y'all, if you are new to the channel, please take the time to subscribe, like, and comment down below. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Okay, so usually I don't do like a unboxing of my orders. I just jump into the outfit and it gets straight to the point. But this time I'm gonna go ahead and show you all what I got, you know what I'm saying? So I laid everything out on the table. I'm gonna take you over there real quick, show you what I got, and then I'm gonna try it on. So let's go get to that. Hopefully you can see I got a pair of black pants, y'all. Excuse the floor because I just like literally took everything out of the box and out of its wrapper and just threw it down. Girl, baby, this is supposed to show the cheeks, honey. I can't wait to get into that. But I only ordered a couple pair of pants because I was unsure as far as what size to get. I also got me some mini makeup brushes because I need these, and I got me some sponges. I'm not gonna open it for you guys, but the most exciting part that I do have, you guys, donuts. Yep, they didn't give me those. And I have sweaters, y'all. I love me some sweaters, okay? I'm about to have a freaking field day. And then I have me an overcoat and another overcoat, yeah, and some more stuff over there in the corner, which is actually for my kids because apparently I do a lot of shopping. So I'm about to go ahead and get all this stuff on real quick, and I'll be right back so I can show y'all. I'm super excited. Y'all, I don't even have my top on yet, and I just want to let you guys know that these motherfucking jeans is giving, okay? I am usually a size 14 to 16, and shopping online for jeans is something that I just don't do. So in these jeans that you guys are going to see after this, I got in a size 30, and I was like, I feel like they was gonna be too big or too small, but baby, let me finish getting dressed. I just got hyped. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, y'all, so between these jeans and this sweater, okay, I am loving everything about this, okay? I can just take this little string, kind of just hang it down, but let's get into the jeans, baby. I don't know, where's the little booty part? Maybe it's not a booty part. I must have thought it was gonna be a booty part, but I still like it. I love it. They fit. Actually, I do have a lot of room here, which I feel like it's okay because it's better to have more room than not enough room, because when I start eating and stuff, baby, this food will turn into a different story and start to kind of poke out a little bit more. But baby, I am feeling these jeans. You heard me? Okay, SHein, I see you. So yeah, these are a size, I want to say it was a 30. I believe it was a size 30, and let me just tell you, the material on these jeans, it does not even feel cheap at all. Like, it really feels safe, nice, and snug. Like, I can just drop it low, girl, drop it low, girl, whatever the song is. But I feel like I can do whatever I want to do. Let me test it out. Let me, you know, gotta loosen them up a little bit, but they are looking good. I love this sweater because, for one, the sweater does not feel like it's thin. The material is really, really good. I love that it got the under boob part. I don't got no titties, so it don't matter. But yeah, and this little belt. This belt adds so much personality. Let me see, hold on. Because you can still slide it to the other side. Might have it a little more secure. Yeah, okay. So actually what I want to do is try on one of the overcoats with this outfit real quick and kind of see how that looks. So give me just 1 second because I'm curious. This might be the vibe for Thanksgiving today, okay? This might be the vibe. Give me a second so I can get this coat real quick. Okay, y'all, so I already got, oh, hold on, where the focus? Focus on me. But anyway, so I got the overcoat on, and I don't know if I'm feeling this. I like it, but see, this is the one thing about having coats, jackets, sweaters, hoodies, whatever. I gotta have some pockets. And this don't got no pockets. So they got these little pretend pockets. And nothing. Shein, dang, I was rooting for you. It be the small things that make a motherfucker not want to ever shop. Get on it. But anyway, I think this looks really, 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 really good. This is giving. I don't even know what kind of shoes I'm going to wear with this, but this is definitely giving. I love it. I think it's doing its damn job, I tell you that. The material on this feels good. I feel like it's going to definitely keep me warm in the cold. Fall weather cold, baby, not winter cold. Need a coat for that. This wouldn't get us through. But I like it. Okay. So anyway, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below about this overcoat with this look. Cause baby, it's the look for me. It's the look for me. Let me go change. Okay, y'all, so this sweater kind of needs some type of instruction manual because I really can't figure out how I'm supposed to wear this. I literally was in the bathroom like tugging and pulling different areas, but I really like this sweater, and I hope that the day that I decide to wear it, I can figure out how to actually put this on. But it's giving a lot of different personalities. It's giving nice bright colors. Well, sweater obviously is not bright, but I feel like this particular sweater is making my skin pop, so I love it for that reason. I wouldn't mind wearing this today. Like, I like it. I just gotta figure out how to do this sweater. Like, this part is not tucked in like it should. Like, I feel like it's loose in certain areas. Like, I just don't feel like I'm wearing it the way that it's supposed to be worn, but it feels good. The fabric is super thick, which I love thick sweaters because that's what keeps you warm around this time, is thick material, baby. And this is definitely giving. This is actually a size medium. If I never tell my size, y'all, my top size is always a medium or a large. Crop tops, I always make sure that I get a medium just because it's showing my belly anyway. If I get a large, nothing gonna show. So yeah, because I'm short, I'm 5'4", guys, 5'4". But it's giving, and it's making my locks pop. Baby, if you can make my locks pop, baby, you can make it drop top. Alright guys, so let me go on to the next look. Let me know what you think about this one. Alright guys, so this sweater was so much easier to put on. The concept was the same, but for some reason this was just a lot easier to put on for me, and I really like it. So actually this might be what I wear today because it's low maintenance and it still looks good. I love that my stomach is showing because, you know, it's a crop. I love that it goes over my breast completely because I'm gonna be around family, so I don't want to do too much, and I want to still look sexy. So you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. But yeah, get into it. This here, I can rock with this. I love it. I love that, like, my skin is popping. Shein, y'all doing y'all thing so far in this try on haul. Like, I'm feeling it. I'm definitely going to be making more orders, especially since I know my pants size through them. Y'all, it's going to be on and motherfucking popping. If you are not subscribed by now, you better get subscribed, okay? I am about to go ahead. Now, I'm not going to put that on with this. I was going to try on the other overcoat. However, let me see. I'm going to change pants, tops, and then I'm going to throw in the overcoat and let you guys know what we're rocking with for the final looks, okay? 1 second. Okay, guys, so this last look that I have is giving me so much going to the grocery store, okay? Nothing about this look is exciting like I thought it was going to be, okay? The sweater, I don't know if this is like something wrong, something happened, and they was just like, let's just leave it because it's in a straight line. I don't know, but I don't like it. I'm not feeling it too much, but I'll put it on if I go to the grocery store and I don't want to step out looking a mess. And then, listen to this. Let's listen to that again. Baby, these pants, let me pull it down some so y'all can see what I'm talking about. These pants is giving me garbage bag vibes. I be seeing people with these cute pants and I be feeling like I'm missing out. You know what I'm I'm saying? Everybody need a pair of black garbage bag looking pants. And it ain't my style, y'all. It's too loud for me. And I just feel stuck. I feel like super duper stuck. I don't like this outfit. This outfit does not make me happy. It does not make me feel good. But I can put it in my closet and wear it on a rainy day, you know what I'm saying? If I don't just feel like putting nothing on, this would be the go-to outfit. But yeah. The last thing I need to throw on for you guys is my final overcoat. It's literally sitting right here. So I think I'm just going to, instead of stopping the camera, I'm just gonna open it for you guys and throw it away. Okay. So this is how they package their overcoats, okay? Comes just like any other thing from them, okay? And maybe it was already unzipped, but let's see. I'm super excited about having more varieties of overcoats because I just like these. Let me try to take these buttons out because they be having the buttons and stuff on here, and I don't like that. Like, don't nobody be wanting to take the buttons off and stuff. I just want to throw it on to see if it works. Right off the back, I'm gonna say I don't like it, and I do like it at the same time, but it feels real itchy. Like it's gonna be one of those jackets that's just gonna itch you all day. But hold on, it might not be bad. I might be able to work with it. You know what I'm saying? Let me adjust this camera real quick. Y'all, don't even worry about like the outfit that I got it paired with, because if I wear this, I'm gonna wear it with some jeans. I'll wear it with this top though, but I'll wear it with some jeans, not with these goddamn garbage bag pants. Cause these garbage bag pants, baby, is about to be in the closet. Cause I ain't wearing them. But I feel like I need to fix my light and my camera. Like everything is just all of a sudden off. But let me back up so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. It don't really have a lot of personality. My personality is a little bit too bold for this. Like, it's not giving me Arie or more. And again, the fucking fake pockets really pisses me the fuck off. Like, these overcoats, I think, was like between $40 and $50 on SHein, okay? And I felt like if I'm gonna spend that much, because I ain't rich, baby, I need fucking pockets, okay? Like this, the fact that it don't have pockets really pisses me off. But, I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about this one. Let me know what y'all think about all of the looks that you guys seen so far. Definitely will be doing this video again, especially like I said, because I know my pants size. I'm super duper excited about that. So I'm going to be ordering a bunch of pants. Actually, I may do a SHein try on haul, jeans only, baby. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, y'all. I'm hot. I'm ready to go. Actually, I started drinking wine before I started recording, and I drank a lot of it. And you know when you drink wine like really fast, all of a sudden it's supposed to kick in. I think it's starting to kick in, which is good because it's time to go have dinner with my family. I'm super excited about that, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. You came across this video. Thank you so much for checking this video out today, and I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope you like and I hope you subscribe, but I already know you guys did. So anyway, bye. Let me know in the comments if you want to do the jean ones. Only jeans, straight up jeans, how I'm saying. Bye.